welcome back to Southbury Rail in the shed. In this episode we're talking about two important components in soldering, resistors and heat shrink. One key use for resistors on train layouts is with streetlights. They play a crucial role in preventing the electrical components in a 00 gauge streetlight from fusing. Fusing occurs when these components overheat due to excessive currents. Resistors limit this current, allowing the lights to function properly without overheating. Think of resistors like a faucet controlling the flow of water. They help regulate the amount of current going into the streetlight. The electrical components in a 00 gauge streetlight are very small and tricky to fix if they fuse. While it is possible, it can be a tedious job that takes hours. That's why it's vital to solder a resistor to the red wire to ensure that your lights stay on safely and reliably. Now that we've covered resistors, let's move on to heat shrink. Heat shrink is a kind of plastic tubing that, when heated, shrinks tightly around electrical connections. Its primary purpose is to provide insulation and protection for soldered joints and wires. When you solder connections, you create a strong electrical bond, but this bond can be vulnerable to exposure, moisture and mechanical stress. That's where heat shrink comes in. If you've ever had issues with streetlights or other electrics that need a resistor, or if you've used heat shrink in your projects, please leave a comment below. It would be great to hear your tips and experiences.